All right, so this is my video about my virtual field experience at I think it was a middle school. I can't remember. I didn't. Yeah, the kids didn't really talk about their school a whole lot, but yeah. So this is my basically review of the virtual field experience. I thought maybe wasn't as helpful as the in-person field experience, as there was not like a connection with the kids at all. I didn't feel like there was much really going on, or like I don't think me being there, like I don't know, it didn't like enhance these kids' learning experience at all. That's not like downing on my like I guess expertise as wanting to be a teacher, but it's just I felt like I don't know. I do not see myself doing much virtual teaching in the future. And even if this wasn't really teaching, this was kind of me sitting there and answering questions for the kids if they need help. It was a little bit more fun when I did join in. And yeah, when I joined in and like was competitive with the kids, which is something that I do want to do as a teacher, like get involved, be engaged, like I mentioned in my STEM bus field experience video. Um, but yeah, this just maybe isn't the most helpful. But so we did it through Zoom. Zoom is pretty helpful. I've used it in so many classes already in school. It's pretty easy to work. I know how to have Zoom meetings, do all that stuff. Zoom is not too bad for me. The where we played or did our game was Blook It. It's kind of like a more complex version of Kahoot. You answer questions, you answer questions. There's like multiple different kinds of games to play instead of just like the one for Kahoot. And it's cute being able to customize your little avatar and stuff. But as for the questions, how did I provide help to teachers and students? I sat there and answered questions if they had questions. I had learned about the same stuff they were learning about when I was in seventh grade, the world religion stuff. Um, how I helped facilitate the learning of the students? Well, I mean, Flickit is very much self-led. They could do however much they needed to. So it was very hands-off, which I wasn't necessarily a fan of. Um, how did you use technology in your teaching? I used Zoom to join the call with them, then I used Blookit to yeah, for them to join and play the game. I would probably use Blookit in the future. I do like these games. I love Kahoot. I love playing Kahoot even now, so I'll definitely be incorporating that in my future classroom. Maybe I'll throw Blookit in there too. You never know. What did I do well? I interacted with the kids. I talked to them. They weren't super conversational, which, no kids are middle school age. But, I felt like it was fun getting competitive with them. What will you improve next time? Maybe getting involved earlier. The first round, I just kind of sat there and I was like, wow, this kind of feels like a waste of time. And like that wasn't fun. So then I like joined in and like that was enjoyable. So maybe like get involved earlier in the lesson. Um, and what did you learn, or how will this contribute to your own professional identity as a teacher? Well, I will, I know that I want to engage with the students. I want to interact with them. I want to have fun. That's what makes learning enjoyable for everyone. If you have a boring teacher that doesn't do anything, you're not going to enjoy yourself. So I do want to be more involved with the students. And I'll probably use this technology eventually if I want to host like a classroom game, because I know the kids get competitive. You put like extra credit on the line, everyone goes crazy. I also want an extra credit on the line, so that would help. But yeah, it was an okay time. I don't know if I'd recommend it. I don't know if I would do it again, but it's nothing terrible. I'm not gonna like trash on it. That would be bad. Because I mean it was a good experience, but yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. Look, it's fun. Goodbye.